Hey, how you guys doing? It's your boy King Cash coming back at you with a new video, and we've been having great, lovely past 3 weeks. We've been killing it on the Discord group. If you didn't join the Discord group, the paid VIP section, link in description. But if you're not ready yet and you wanna just join a nice community, please find our Telegram group down below. And today we're gonna have a great video about gold analysis. The past week, gold has been consolidating over and over and over, and just no one knows what's going to do. But your boy knows, inshallah. So today we're gonna go through the graph charts and show you the potential trade. There's a huge potential short on gold. I predict that gold is gonna drop at least 200 to 250 pips, even like 500 pips coming next week or 2 weeks. So as always, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that like button and leave a nice comment for your boy King Cash. Anyways, other than that, cue to the intro, baby. We're back on the charts, and as you guys see here, it's JAO USD or gold. The one thing that drives people crazy. And I'm gonna show you guys how are we going to analyze this step by step. Focus here. This is great information that anyone needs to know how to analyze. I'm gonna show you by proof how I'm gonna analyze this and show you that how are we going to predict it, inshallah, the right way. So first of all, I like to start with my trend line on the 4 hours. So when you do trend lines, basically you need 1, 2, look at this, 3, 4, 5, then a breakout. So that's a nice trend line in my books. Then we go to a second trend line right here, and we can test it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a nice double bottom. So that's how you draw your trend line. People complicate it way more than it should. Then, right, number 2, Fibonacci level. Let's go to Fibonacci, the Fib. We take it from the bottom, and we make sure that trend line is right here. Right here, we put it right here. Bam. So we got our Fibonacci level. If you don't want to the only reason I use Fibonacci level is if I'm too lazy to draw my support and resistance level. But I always also go back and make sure if my Fibonacci is right. And the way we do this, if you check your Fibonacci right here, you will see nice resistance right here. We got some nice resistance right here at this Fib level, and right here we have a nice resistance right here, and of course we got our big support right here. We're gonna start drawing our main supports right here. Big support. Let's make our resistance red and make our support green. I like try to have nice visualization of the chart. So right now we don't want to draw every single resistance line and support. That's why we have our Fibonacci level. So if we come here and what happened, if we go a brush, the past from right this area really matters because it's repeating itself right now. And you'll see it came down up here. It was inside the trend, bottom of the trend, double bottom. It went up. After it went up, it consolidated. It broke out of the trend line. It created a new trend line. It's respecting. It went through the Fib, came back to retest, went back, got resisted, got sent back by this huge resistance. It started going back down. Then it went back into that Fib level. And why do we want to focus on this? Because if we brought our ruler and we start right here, from here to here, it took about 20 days of consolidation, then it shoots back up. And if we want to watch gold, we're going to see that it consolidates, then shoots really strong. Consolidates, then shoots really strong. So the only reason why people get destroyed on gold because they try to keep trading the consolidation parts. And and to make themselves feel better, they will just go to the 15 minutes and be like, to make themselves think it's moving a lot. But at the end of the day, this is really bad, and this is very like risky, very risky trading. But for me, the way I trade is I trade structure points and trend lines. So if you go back here, the only way I will trade gold under 2 circumstances. If gold breaks above this level, then I will enter here and I will take it all the way up to 1822. But I don't think that's what's going to happen. And what's going to happen is it will consolidate even more. And if it's going to repeat the exactly same pattern, usually it's not exactly the same, but probably it's going to consolidate more. Okay, then it will shoot. It will go up a little bit. Okay, then it will shoot back down. Another scenario which was more realistic, and I'll tell you why. If you go to DXY, and if you don't know that DXY and gold are very related, they're correlated. If DXY goes down, gold goes up, and vice versa. So what I see DXY will do, it will go down, which will make gold go up first, then it will shoot up, will make gold drop. So if we go back to gold, and what do I think it will happen? It will consolidate, probably shoot up to this area, 1822, then it will shoot all the way down to 1680. And how long is this process going to take? Because if it's going to shoot back up to create the shoulder, we have the head, we have the shoulder. Here it didn't create the shoulder, just dropped straight down. And if we go here, it didn't retest the 38. It retested the 38. It didn't retest the 23 level. So it probably is going to go up, back up here, 1822 or 1850. Then it will just have one of these crazy drops. This is one of the scenarios, and I will show you guys more. 1 second. So now after we finish with the 4 hours, we should go back in. We should go into the daily. And if we come into the daily right here, we will see that right here. This is the daily. It's still consolidating, and we're not taking any more information from the daily. We'll move to the weekly. And why we're moving? Look at this. So this is last week. This is the week before. We had a huge bearish engulfing candle, and we had a small bullish small bullish green candle. But what that means? What is that supposed to mean? That means that our trend is still downward trend, because the main trend is downward, and we had a breakout. Then it's going back in here, and the way it will be, if we let's okay, one second. Okay, let's work on this. Okay, so it's here. It's being supported at the Fib level, but how are we going to know if it's gonna go down or not? If it breaks down here, it will continue that trend all the way down to 1677, because we got a strong support. I will show you something really nice. Let's go to the months, and it will all make sense right now. Okay, and that's why I don't understand why people don't start with the 4 hour all the way to the month. So if we go to the month right here, this is very strong trend line, because it's been going on since 2006, and this is our second trend line right here, and everything will start making sense. So if you come here, you will see why it dropped at 27.3 all the way down here to that support, huge support level. You will see right here, this month looked big, the same size candle. So we have a huge bullish candle engulfing and a huge bearish engulfing candle. And what is that supposed to mean? And the thing is, about if we go back here, and we will see the same thing happened here. So what happened? It went up, created 1 month of bullish, 1 month of bearish, then back into down that channel. And now it went up. Why start going down again? It went up. You will see. Okay, so we'll see the same thing here. It went up. Okay, it went up right here. Okay, then we have bullish, 1 month of bullish, 1 month bearish, and probably it will just continue going down. Is it gonna go to 1300? Probably not. But what I'm trying to get at you guys right now, one second. What I see right now, it will go up a little bit, then it will fall all the way down here to that 1682 area, and then it will shoot all the way back up into the 2000 at the end of the year. So how are we going to trade this? This is enough information. Let's go back into the 4 hours, and I'm going to show you guys how are we going to trade this gold. Okay, so let's reset chart, get rid of this, and it will be clearer like this. So what I will do, I will wait for it right here. You'll see this, guys. I'm going to show you guys. You see this line? Okay, this is support right here at 56. So I will enter. I will get, let's get rid of, okay, let's get rid of this line. Already saw it. Or we can just okay, let's use my, where did it go? The rectangle. We got this right here. Okay, this is the lowest point it reached before. So our support is right here. Here we go. So if you want to trade it, you want to swing this Fibonacci, not Fibonacci, our short position, we will short at 54. Stop loss above 67, and our first TP will be at 1725. And why is that? Look at this, a nice support. Then I will get out right here and wait for it. If it broke 1722. Here you go. We will short it again at 1720. Stop loss above 1737, and we will take it all the way to 1687 area. Then we will see. Okay, if you want to stop buying it again, I wouldn't recommend buying it until, okay, let's go back to our brush. So if it price came here, start consolidating probably. If it broke here, it will come back retest. Then we will buy it from above 1710. We'll buy above 1710 all the way to 1722, and the same thing. So from here, we'll buy it from 1738 to 1775, and that's how I like to trade my gold. Don't just try to stick it all in one trade. Just try. I will wait for it to break out. After it break out, I will short it. Right after that, huge next support. Then after that again, if when it breaks that support, look at this. See, be careful of these. So if you see it run like this, make your entry right under it. So 1718, probably our entries would be 1717. At the end of the day, you don't have to trade it, put it on one trade. So if we measure from here to here, that's 270 pips. Okay, from 1753 to 1734. Okay, that's 270 pips. And then from here to here, that's 320 pips. So 270 plus 320. How much is that? Let's go to calculator because I'm no brain. I'm brain dead. So 270 pips plus 320 pips. So that's 500, 600. Let's say 600 pips on gold. So you can make 600 pips on gold in 1 to 2 weeks. Because I'll tell you something. Sometimes the best trades are the trades that you don't enter. But the way I trade, I win so much because my win rate is so high because I wait for it to break out. So I don't trade consolidation. I don't care about this. I don't have to trade every day. The only way I will trade, if it to break through, then I will take that profit. Wait for it, get in again, break through, take my profit. So if you guys know how much in 600 pips you guys can make on gold, let's give an example. So let's go to my calculator right here because I want to show you guys, because people don't focus, people don't understand how strong and powerful this is. So let's go to calculator here. Let's go to gold, JAUSD, okay, and let's say from 600 pips. So let's say 1750. It's not have to be the exact numbers. I want to show you 1750, and we say 600 pips. That means it's $60. So 1750 minus 60 is how much? 1750 minus 60. So 1690. And we were probably gonna show that, and we're gonna put the lot size is 1, just using one lot size. So that's $6,000. That's $6,000 in 600 pips. So if you put 5 lot size, it's $30,000. If you put 10 lot size, that's $60,000. If you put in 0.01, that's $60. So based on your account, we can show this and make a lot of money. Anyways, I'm not gonna make this any more longer. I'm sorry I went in too much detail, but I was trying to show you guys that you have to use your 4 hours, use your monthly, use your weekly, look for strong support lines, trade only breakouts, and you can have this entry. See here, I'll give you guys these free entries from your boy King Cash. If anyone is interested, try them out. And they don't have, I don't know, like the thing is, I don't have a time frame on this. I don't know when are they gonna open. I don't know when are they gonna open, but I would rather wait for it to break out than just waste my time and money just playing with consolidation. Right here. This is the first second trade. So here is your 2 nice trades, and I already done this before. It's not the first time I do this. Like if you go on the group already, we made 100 pips here, we made 140 pips here. Trading the same way. I didn't trade this part because I know it's gonna consolidate here, so I'm waiting for it to have that huge drop again. When? Who knows? But I would rather wait for the perfect trade. I'm not gonna chase the market. I would rather have trades that I push in for a week or 2, wait for them to enter. But when they're in, you're gonna make so much money. You're gonna love me, guys. And I think I even did the 1750 to 1727. I'm sorry, I did this wrong. 1750. 1 second. 1727. I'm sorry, I did this wrong. Okay. Yeah, I calculated the pips wrong. I'm sorry, my bad. No, I did it right. I think I did it right. Yeah, I did it right. My bad. Anyways, it was your boy King Cash. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Please come here and join our Discord VIP Discord server. If I give 10 minimum 10 trades a week, very over 70% win rate. And if you're not ready yet, please come here and join our Telegram group. I'm gonna start giving free signals on there, and gonna share some videos and some profits. And you guys get the both of the world. If you want the paid version, which you can come here and see, I give VIP trades all the time. Look at this. Last week we gave 10 trades right here, and you actually more than 10 trades, and you can see I'm still waiting for that golden open. We hit that US30 short, US 100 buy 160 pips, GU short 34 pips. We got some trades. Oh, the USD also hit. We got this one didn't open. It's fine. We got Bitcoin 368 buy from here. Well, that was a crazy. Also, the crazy one too was Tesla. You got Tesla 640, 600. That's 200 pips. So it's up to you guys. You make the decision for yourself. You can come here, see the testimonies of the people. You guys can check the profits for yourself. We've been killing it this week. Look at this, 16K this week, which is around, we made this week around 680 effing pips. Who's doing this? It was, anyways, this has been a long video. I'm not gonna make it longer. It was your boy King Cash. Take care. Peace.